So I'm gonna give you a little rundown. So we in Detroit. We have a party to do. Me and Ashley got dressed in the airport. We gotta be at the club at 12:30. It's 12:40. Close at 1:30. We're gonna push it. We're gonna push it through. We look like she don't got no makeup. I don't have no makeup. Stay tuned. Look what she's wearing in the airport. she got her ass out. She's in the airport because we have to get dressed. And look what she's wearing in the airport. Like, are you kidding me? Yeah, so we had to get dressed at the airport because they delayed our flight. Like a whole 4-hour delay. Look how we're literally dressed up in the airport to make it to this hosting. Look at this. That was the rundown. We made it. It was crazy, but we made it. We was there. The club was supposed to close at 1:30. It closed at what time? 2:30. We got our money and we did what we had to do. Okay. It was a big snowstorm in Detroit. Like very big. So that was a lot. And for y'all to come out for us, for me and Ash, I love y'all. Like, I love Detroit, like, seriously, because my ass was home. It was bad and cold.
I didn't think y'all was gonna make it.
I didn't think I was gonna make it, but I made it. I love Detroit. I really do. I love y'all. Y'all the best. Like, y'all love me out here. Like, seriously. From day one.
So that's the Puerto Rican princess grandmother, Miss Bernice Burgos, with her daughter running through the airport, literally showing their behinds. Take a second to check to see if you are subscribed to this channel. Click the notification bell for all updates, and if you're new, include new subscriber in your comment below, and I'm going to try my best to respond to all of you. But yes, we have Bernice Burgos here and her daughter. The two out in Detroit this past weekend. They had a scheduled appearance at a club, very cold in the D. Shout out to everybody in Detroit that's watching right now. But there was a winter storm going on. It caused their flight to be delayed, so they had to change their clothes at the airport. They had to get ready inside of the airport bathroom, and they came out looking like this. The club stayed open 1 hour later so that they were able to make it there. That way they were able to still get their money for showing up, because if they had missed this appearance, they would have went to Detroit for nothing and they wouldn't have received the rest of their deposit. I'm talking about the other half of their money for appearing. But yeah, look how they are dressed, running through the airport, behinds all out, and we can all see what these old 304s are passing down to the young 304s. Both single mothers at this point. And of course, we can see what was passed down from Bernice to her daughter. The way they get their money, the way they carry themselves, and their characteristics, all of which you see is keeping them single. So that's one grandmother, Bernice Burgos. But what about this one?
I had to bring her outside. Listen, your mama and they're trying to get you a new daddy, all right? You know, your father's on his way to pick you up. You know, your parents divorced. And your mama trying to get you a new stepdaddy. Act right, okay? Come on. Here's my other granddaughter. Come on. Come on. I'm trying. But this one, your mama almost got it in the bag.
Baby butt.
No, you acting up. I need you to stop. You know, be on your best behavior till she get the ring, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I love you.
I love you.
All right.
That's April Mason. Shout out to Amani, who said, I saw her made a post talking to her granddaughter saying you have to be good. Stop going out of pocket, at least until your mama get that ring. That's what April Mason was saying to one of her granddaughters. She's telling this toddler, hey, you know your mom and dad got a divorce, but we're trying to get you a new daddy, and you have got to stop acting up at least until she gets the ring. And the baby said, okay.
I had to bring her outside. Listen. Your mama and they're trying to get you a new daddy, all right? You know, your father's on his way to pick you up. You know, your parents divorced. And your mama trying to get you a new stepdaddy. Act right, okay? Come on. Here's my other granddaughter. Come on. Come on. I'm trying. But this one, your mama almost got it in the bag.
Baby butt.
No, you acting up. I need you to stop. You know, be on your best behavior till she get the ring, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I love you.
I love you.
All right.
I'm sorry, this lady is a witch. At first, she told the baby, "We're trying to get you a new daddy." But the second time, she cleaned it up and said, "We're trying to get you a stepdaddy. Your daddy is on the way to pick you up." Now, I just wonder how that father feels to see his little daughter being coached by his mother-in-law, telling his baby that they're trying to get her a new daddy.
I had to bring her outside. Listen, your mama in there trying to get you a new daddy, all right? You know, your father's on his way to pick you up. You know, your parents divorced. And your mama trying to get you a new stepdaddy. Act right, okay? Come on. Here's my other granddaughter. Come on. Come on. I'm trying. But this one, your mama almost got it in the bag.
Baby butt.
No, you acting up. I need you to stop. You don't be on your best behavior till she get the ring, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I love you.
I love you.
All right.
This is so sickening, it's not even funny. A lot of y'all right now, you're getting set up by these women and their mothers are helping them. I'm talking all of them in on the plan to trap a sucker. Shout out to this sister right here, Everything and Nothing. She said, "I began listening to April Mason because I was struggling with my femininity in my relationship. She does have some good points and advice, but I kept wondering if she has all this wisdom, why is she divorced and single?" Her 27-year-old daughter is now divorced as well, and they are releasing a co-written book for women to change their identity to get what they want in life. And you know, it's really crazy because for a long time, April Mason, she was promoting to her students that her daughter was her success story. April didn't have any relationship success, so she always propped up that her daughter was married. Her daughter ended up having 3 kids from her husband, just like April. And now she's divorced, just like her mother, April. And now you can see she's trying to hurry up and get her daughter hitched again right away. 27 years old, 3 kids in tow, and you just heard her say that they almost got it in the bag.
I had to bring her outside. Listen, your mama in there trying to get you a new daddy, all right? You know, your father's on his way to pick you up. You know, your parents divorced. And your mama trying to get you a new stepdaddy. Act right, okay? Come on. Here's my other granddaughter. Come on. Come on. I'm trying. But this one, your mama almost got it in the bag.
Baby butt.
No, you acting up. I need you to stop. You don't be on your best behavior till she get the ring, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I love you.
I love you.
All right.
Now you see April, the feminine actress. She has a book coming out. It's called Identity Switch. She wrote the book with her 27-year-old daughter. And in this book, they are basically teaching women how to be a chameleon in order to get what they want from men. The cover of the book says, "Identity Switch, becoming the woman who gets what she wants." And the foreword is written by none other than Rick Ross. You see, April Mason and Bernice Burgos are both grandmothers, both working with their daughters. Jezebel spirit, witch spirit, both using seduction to get what they want and teaching their daughters to do the same. April Mason, she's making money by telling lies to black women, and now she's fooling black men. She said it herself on the Lead Attorney Show. If you want to make a lot of money, lie to black women.
Put it like this. I'm gonna keep it at 1,000 with you. If you ever want to make a lot of money, join the dating industry and give women fluff. You see, they
Derrick Jackson. We all know Derrick Jackson making bank.
Well, that's what she's still doing out here with her new book, Identity Switch. She's really giving me Derrick Jackson vibes, like she's his sister or maybe his auntie. We gotta start redlining people like this out of the community. We just can't build with Jezebels, passing down bad habits, bad practices to their daughters, granddaughters, and some of them attempting to program other women as well. So let's go ahead and get the conversation started. What are the grandmothers of today passing down to their daughters and granddaughters? Shout out to Vicky, Torre, and Dark Power. I appreciate all of you for your support here. Want to see more content like this? You can support the channel as well. Links to PayPal and Cash App are below. Ladies, fellas, want a balance analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share.